Hello traders, this is Elias. I want to explain about my new ICT scanner, Inner Circle Trader Scanner. It uses 4 very important strong reversal and continuation models, and as you can see here, it have been used by many people, Omar Agag, TT Trades, which is very strong, extremely strong signals. So we're gonna start with the first model is the candle range theory. Now this one, the scanner detects it on all time frames for all the 4 models. This is the first one. After a fail to close outside as a displacement outside the range as a reversal signature, we expect the price to go back inside the range and give us this distribution. This is, by the way, the weakest one in the signals, the CRT, the candle range theory that many people talked about, like Romeo and others. They claim it's their own model. I don't mind, and I don't care if it's ICT or them or whatever, but this is a good model, but it's not the strongest. Now this is a great model. It's the sweep and close. This one is an extremely strong model. Now after, let's say, a candle, a close like this, another second candle, it open above, sweep the liquidity, it make a turtle soup and close back outside. So that's like an outside bar. It sweep the liquidity above and close below. Now here we expect the third candle to open high and low to give us the expansion below and close. And the draw on liquidity is down there. That's an easy draw on liquidity. Now then the fourth model, the fourth candle, is this one. TT Trades explained about Hermes. Those are Hermes pictures, and he's an Arabic ICT trader. His content in Arabic, but this is a great model. TT Trades also use this model. Now any swing formation, it has 1, 2, 3 candles. So we trade the fourth candle and also the fifth candle. So when the third candle close below as a displacement below the previous day, so we expect the fourth candle to be expansion candle. This is the closest target draw on liquidity. You can target more if you have a low resistance targets down there. Now this is an extremely strong one. We also can try to trade the fifth candle, but it's not as strong as the fourth one. This one you can, the same concept, the fourth candle, the swing formation, and then we start open, high, low, close. Our draw on liquidity is down there. Our invalidation point is here. Okay, so here is the scanner. So you can, let's go through the settings. Here you can put the inputs. I have done for my own personal trading. I have 2 sets. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Like this, I get all the currency pairs, all the models that I trade. Now the first section is the fourth candle, the second section is the fifth candle, the third one is the CRT, and this one sweep and close. I prefer to focus on the first one and the last one, the fourth candle and the sweep and close. So let's give some explanations how I use it and also the results I had today. So for example, this is FTMO. This is I'm going to show you trades that I took for today. So I made 3,250 US dollars, and those are the trades I took: Euro USD, GBP USD, OUD CAD, New Zealand USD, OED USD, Euro AUD, Euro New Zealand, and I will show how they played out. I closed early because I did my daily profit target, so I didn't stay much in the trades, but they could have gotten much more profits. So let's start with the first signal we have on the trades. Let's start. I took the OUD CAD. I have a daily sweep and close. So let's go to the trading view. That's the daily chart, and as you can see, it swept the high, it closed below the previous daily low, even the 2 days previous daily lows. So that's a strong reversal signature, Now, you shouldn't take the trade at once. You should wait for the reversal setup to happen. The open, the high, we made the high here. I went to the 15 minutes chart. We had a change in state of delivery here. I had a fair value gap at this section, a respect to the fair value gap, a closure below. I took my entry somewhere here and I made a nice profit on this one. Here, as you can see, the OUD CAD, 342 US dollars. Of course, it have gotten much higher profits, but I closed it early. Anyway, so let's take another example. We have the daily charts, AUD USD. So we go to the trading view. Actually, also I can show you here on Telegram. I have all those trades. I did post them. That's my channel. You can join if you like. So that's the AUD CAD, the trade. I do this for personal journaling, my trades, and it went much lower. So also here, that's the signals, OUD USD and New Zealand USD. That's the second trade idea of the day. So that's the setup, the invalidation above, a sweep for the highs, a close below. I had an SMT also. That's my draw on liquidity, the daily. And that's on the 5 minutes, change in state of delivery. And there you go. It's a London reversal. An early one though. Anyway, so OUD USD, the same thing. It hit the daily draw on liquidity and even went below. It's an expansion candle. So obviously it will go below. Also the AUD in New Zealand CHF, that's daily invalidation. That's daily draw on liquidity. This one, it did work a bit, but not always. Also the win rate is not like 100%. That's 70-80%, depends on your trade, your setups, some discretionary trading, how you read the charts, what's your background in ICT and everything else. So here is the Euro USD. This one, it has a weekly signal. So let me open it, not a daily. So the Euro USD, where is it? So here's the Euro USD. That's a weekly fourth candle, and it played out just today. Here you can see that's a trading view. Euro USD weekly chart. That's a weekly draw on liquidity down there. That's 1, 2, 3. So that's the fourth candle. Still didn't reach it. So I took this expansion candle, sorry. After it came from internal range liquidity to external range liquidity. So here on the 15 minutes, the market open high. It hit a PD arrays on this section and had an SMT between Euro USD and GBP USD. I took this expansion part right here. This is the trades I took at first. And then 2000, that's the thing, the Euro USD is here. That's the trades. That's 3000. Euro USD hit the previous daily low. I closed early. Closed all trades. 3237. So the ShadowMark Scanner is an extremely powerful tool. You don't have to use it if you like to go through the daily, through the charts, but it saves you lots of time. Also, this depends on the closures of the candles of your broker. So sometimes some of the signals are there on TradingView, but if your broker doesn't have the exact candle closures, it doesn't give them. So this is 100% mechanical. Of course, you have to see like very important few ideas to use when you have, for example, a draw on liquidity. That's a weekly draw on liquidity. You should see what formed this wing. and are you going from high resistance to low resistance or not. So this is obviously high resistance, that's another sweep right here, to a low resistance, and here this is the mean threshold of this order block. We fail to close above, that's on the daily chart, and obviously you have to see the price, which market model, is it expansion, is it consolidation, are you in the retracement, what type of swing are you trading, is it just a retracement, are you in the retracement, or are you in the with the trend direction, with the higher time frame direction. So this scanner is extremely powerful, extremely helpful, and yeah, and thank you.